Okay, the second card I'm going to make looks like this. It's going to use the packet with the white base. Then this will be for your sentiment. You'll layer these, and then this is for your snail. Not a whole lot of pieces and parts to this one. It will use a red card from your kit. So cut your red card. Cut your red card down to 5 1/4 by 4, and then you will want to save one of the little bits that you've cut off because you'll use that on the strip there. And this also is a card that I've started before I realized my phone was out of storage, and I had just got the pieces and parts kind of already put together for this one. So I'm going to show you here. You're going to go ahead and layer all these pieces together before you put them on. So this is crushed curry. It's 1 inch wide by, you'll want it to be 4 inches long. Now, I may have cut yours a little bit longer, so don't glue the red on yet till you've got all these cut, and make sure that they're all the same width that you cut your card base at. So you want to go ahead and just glue this down and leave a little bit of a space at the bottom. Hanging out the bottom. And then take your little bit from the leftover card where you cut that off. And put that on top of the Daffodil Delight with a little bit of it hanging out the bottom. And then now this is where you would glue it onto your red and then flip it over and trim it all up. So since I wasn't gonna like waste up another card, I just figured I would do this. So then glue this onto your red, like so. Now you can leave it off and then put your mailbox underneath if you would like, as a different look, and then maybe pop this up with dimensionals just to give it a different look. But what you're going to do next is take one of your mailbox pieces. Let me see if I can find one. I can't find one right now, but you'll see the white cards that are in there. One has a mailbox on it with some little with the little hearts and stuff. You can save those, cut those off, and use them for something else, but cut your mailbox out. Then pop it up on the front. Sorry I'm going kind of slow, guys. I had such a horrible reaction to my COVID shot. My second one, and I'm slowly but surely trying to force myself to get back at it, and I'm moving a little slow, so sorry about that, but I wanted to get this done for you guys before the month is totally gone. And so then put your mailbox on the front, and then now, like I said, you can use one of the bits from where you cut the mailbox off from if you want for your little snail, or you can use the piece that I put inside the envelope to put your little snail on. And while I've got this out, I'm just going to put my snail right on here. Now, I'll find him. I colored my snail in with my blends, and I did use a little bit of just a regular Stampin' marker in the Sahara Sand. I couldn't really decide what color to make him, so the one that I came up with is a little blah. He matches all the papers and stuff, but I think he could use a little bit of, you know, a little pizzazz in him. So I brought over the Sahara sand marker so that I can just kind of color, go in and give him a base. I don't have a very good tip on this. Can you see? Am I in the... So I'm just going through, filling him in. Like I say, without a good tip on it, it doesn't color in very well. And then I got my Smoky Slate blends to come back in and just kind of give him another layer of dimension and color. And I don't know really what color he should be. If he's a tan, if he's a brown. I suppose it could be whatever color we want him to be. But he's this color for today. And I didn't know, on my other one, I didn't know what color. I made his eyes pink. Probably, I don't know what color. I'm going to leave them blank today. I don't know what color to make them. But I have my Daffodil Delight Stampin' Right marker that I'm just going to go and color in the outer area of his, I guess it's his shell. Like so. Again, the tip of this is all bad, so it's not coloring in very good. When I get them smooshed down, I cut the tips with the scissors, and they just lost their nice fine point that they get. Then I'm coloring the inside with the Poppy Parade. Thought that might shake him up and make him look a little cuter. So maybe shouldn't have went down that far, but tis what it is. Okay, then you want to cut him out with the scissors and pop him up on the front with some dimensionals, like so. Cut him off. I'm probably taking up video time here, and then I'm going to end up not getting it to load because I'm cutting and stuff, so I probably should speed this up or just stop the cutting part. You don't need to see me cut. I don't know why my phone filled up all of a sudden. I've deleted and deleted and deleted and emptied trash over and over again, so I have no idea why it's decided to fill up on me right when I started to do these videos last week. Okay. When he goes down there on the bottom, I popped him up with a dimensional. I slice off a piece. I think I like his little eyes just left white on this one. But you can color them if you want. Like I said, I made them pink on my other one. And then just put him down at the bottom of the mailbox. And then in your kit, a little envelope is a sentiment piece. So I just happened to find one in my art gallery is an I Miss You. So that's what I decided to put on mine, but obviously you can put whatever you want on yours. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I just went and cut them at an angle. And then I popped it up underneath of him. We might want that in there straight though. Let me try it again. I didn't think crooked was going to look bad, but it does. I want it straight across there. And then pop it up with a couple dimensionals. Like so. And then I just put it right underneath of him. Kind of grounded him in the mailbox with it. And then that's it for the second card.